Good morning, dear students. Last class we completed till the question number 8, exercise 2.1, page number 30. Now we are going to see page number 31, question number 9. Take your book. Priya bought 22.5 kg of onion. Krishna bought 18 3/4. That means 3/4 kg of onion. Sedu bought 9 kg 250 gram of onion. What is the total weight of onion did they buy? Total weight they are asking, which means addition. Priya bought, we have written Krishna and Sedu. Okay, three of them bought onion. We are going to find the total weight. Total means add. Total weight of onion 22.5 kilogram plus 18 3/4 kilogram plus 9 kg 250 gram. So now you can find out kilogram also is there, gram also we have. So everything we cannot convert to the kilogram. So which is can be convert, you can convert. Now the half you can convert into gram. Half you can convert into gram. Before I start the problem, I explain you half means 500 gram. The kilogram to gram I am telling. So write the 22 as it is. 22 kilogram. The half converted as 500 gram plus 18 write as it is kilogram. Then this 3/4. 3/4 means 7. 750 grams. 3/4 means 750 gram plus 9 kg 250 gram. So you can ask me the question, why did you convert into gram? Because to the lower unit I am converting. To the lower unit which is given in the question only I am converting. Now add it. Gram 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, write as kilogram, this 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 2, 4, 5. The answer is 50 kilogram, 500 gram. The total weight of onion is 50 kilogram, 500 gram. Very easy, but do the addition properly. This is very important. The converted into half and 3/4 converted into gram. Next question number 10. Maran walks 1.5 kilometer every day. Every day, every means one day, per day, daily. To reach the school. While Makillan walks 1400 meter, who walks more distance and by how much? We are going to compare. So whenever you are comparing, it must be with the same unit. But here it is given as kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meter, if you see, which is the lowest unit? Meter. So both you convert into meter, then you can compare. The distance covered by Maran 1.5 kilometer. Since the lowest unit is meter, the kilometer I am converting to meter. So you see here, kilo is the first one, base is meter, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps, 3 tens, that means thousands. Multiplication, kilo to meter, so it is multiplication 1.5 into 1000. This decimal point, how many places it will move? Based on the zeros, 3 places to the right side. This is your right side. So 1.5 will move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. This point will go here. Here 0, 0. So the answer is 1500 kilometer. 1500 meter. 1500 meter. Then the distance covered by Magellan meter. Okay, 1400 meter. They ask us to find out who walks more distance by how much. Okay, now from this even you can find out who walks more, 1500 or 1400. Which is best one? 1500. So Maran walks more. Maran walks more by how much? How much means difference. Find the difference. 1500 minus 1400 is 100. So by 100 meter. Maran walks more by 100 meter. Question number 11. In a JRC 1-day camp, okay, JRC 1-day camp, 150 gram of rice and 15 milliliter oil are needed for a student. A means one student. For one student, how much they needed rice? 150 gram and oil is 15 milliliter. If there are 40 students to attend the camp, how much of rice and oil are needed? How much of rice and oil are needed? So for one student, in JRC 1-day camp, a student is given. So one student for needed rice for one student. A student is given. A means one student. There is 150 gram and needed oil for one student. Needed oil for one student is 15 milliliter. They ask us to find out for the 40 students. Okay, 40 students, how much rice and oil? 40 means one student is 150 means 40 means what will you do? Either will you multiply or divide. We are finding 1 to more, so you have to multiply. So 40 students, 150 into 40 gram. Now multiply 0, 2 zeros, 15 into 4. Is 0, 0 I wrote as it is. 4 table, 4 5s are 20, remainder 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6000 gram. Okay, 6000 gram. So this one you convert into the higher unit. Which is the higher unit? Kilo. Because when you go to the shop, we used to buy in the kilogram. Okay, day to day life which is using kilo we are using. So find out for the kilo. Gram is given. So gram, GM means gram. The gram is basic units. So gram to kilo we are going. So down to up, 1, 2, 3. 3 means divided by 1000. This we are changing. So divided by 1000. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Answer is 6 kilogram. Answer is 6 kilogram. Next we are going for the oil. So for one student 15 milliliter oil we need. So 40 students, into 40 milliliter. 15 into 40 milliliter. Multiply 10, write as it is. 4 table, 4 5s are 20, 2 remainder, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 600 milliliter. So day to day life we used to say in the liters, capacity, okay, volume of capacity we used to represent in the liter. So I am going to change the milliliter to liter. Where is the milli? Milli is here, the liter is here, base units. So milli to liter, 1, 2, 3, divided by 1000, divided by 1600, divided by 1000. I am converting to liter. Why I am converting? Because day to day life we used to represent in the liter. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So remaining 1 0 is there. We used to keep the dot here. So 1 decimal place, because 1 0 it is in the division. So we used to move in the left side. This is your left side. So I move this side. Nothing is there. So 0. So the answer is 0.6 liter. Okay, for the 40 students, oil needed is 0.6 liter. For the 40 students, rice needed is 6 kilogram. Question number 12. In a school, 200 liters of lemon juice is prepared. Okay, 200 liters of lemon juice. Liters. If 250 milliliter lemon juice is given to each student means for one student they are providing 250 milliliter. How many students get the juice? Okay, so total is given. Okay, for one student they are giving 250 milliliter. So how many students can get the juice? We are going to find out. Now total lemon juice is prepared. two hundred liter. Provided to one student, (250 milliliter). Each student is given, each means 1. Okay, provided to one student 250 milliliter. How many students can get? How many students can get? From the 200 liter only everyone is getting. So this is division part. This liter change into milliliter, then only we can divide. Because if you have the same units you can divide. This is milliliter, this is liter. So this liter I am going to convert into milliliter. Liter is here, milli is here. So liter to milliliter, 3 part is different. 3 means divided by 1000. So multiple. Okay, liter to milli only we are going. Multiplication, multiply. 2, how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 2 lakhs milliliter. 2 lakhs milliliter. So the number of students can get lemon juices (2 lakh) divided by 250, 0, 0, cancel, then 5 table, 5, 4, 0, 0, 0, 5 table, 8 times 40, then 0, 0. So how many students can get? 800 students. Okay, 800 students can get, okay, 250 milliliter of juice. Next question. Question number 13. Question number 13, listen to me. How many glasses of the given capacity will fill a 2 liter jug? 2 liter jug. Jug capacity is 2 liter. Okay, from this we are going to find the 5 options. The first option is 100 milliliter. So jug we have that capacity is 2 liter. We have the following glasses. Glass you have seen. The first one is 100 milliliter. Okay, 100 milliliter you are filling with the glass. So how many glasses you can fill? We are going to find out. The same model of the question number 12 only. We are going to divide this 2 liter change into milliliter. So liter to milliliter already we have seen. This is multiplication of 1000. So 2 into 1000, 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter. Option 1 is the one glass represents 100 milliliter. One glass, for one glass 100 milliliter you can fill it. How many glasses you can fill like this? If you have 2000 milliliter. Division, so divide 2000 divided by 1000, 0 we can cancel. So you can fill 20 glasses. Option 1, the answer is 20 glasses. Likewise, option 2, 50 milliliter. Okay, 50 milliliter, 2000 divided by 50. Okay, why we are dividing here? Because we are going to find out, okay, how much can be filled. How much can be filled? So this is division. 0 cancel, 5 table, 4 0. 40 glasses. Likewise, option 3, 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter. Total is 2000 divided by 500. 0 cancel. 5 table 1 4. 4 glasses. Next option 4, 1 liter. Okay, here you can see it is given in the liter. Here I converted into the milliliter. So go back to the liter. How many liters are there? 2 liter. So 2 liter divided by 1 liter is, okay, 2 liter divided by 1 liter. So if you cancel, what you will get the answer? 2 liter. If you have the denominator 1, there is no value. So you can write the numerator as it is 2 liter. Since it's given in the liter, I am taking as 2 liter. Here these options and all, if you see, these are the milliliter. So which is converted to milliliter, I have taken as the question. Option 5, 250 milliliter. So total weight is, the total weight of jug is 2000, capacity 250, 0 cancel, 5 table 5 times, 4 times, 0 as it is, again 5 table 8 times. So how many glasses? 8 glasses. So here 2 glasses I should write as 2 glasses. How many glasses only the question? Here 2 glasses can be filled, here 8 glasses. So very easiest one, but understand the question, based on the question convert into liter or milliliter. Next to question number 14, we are going to see objective type questions. Question number 14, 9 meter 4 centimeter is equal to. The question is 9 meter and 4 centimeter. So take your book, page number 31. You see the option. Option 1 is 94 centimeter. Option B is 904 centimeter. Option C is 9.4 centimeter. Option D is 0.94 centimeter. From these 4 options you can find out they are converted into the centimeter. They are converted into the centimeter. So this you convert into the centimeter, then you can find out the answer. So meter to centimeter, the difference is 1 and 2. 2 means multiple by 100. So the meter multiple by 100. This 4, let it be as it is. 9 into 100, 900 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. 900 plus 4 is 904 centimeter. The answer is option B. Answer is option B. Next question number 15. 1006 gram is equal to 1006 gram. 1006 gram. See the option. Option A is 1 kilogram 6 gram. Option B is 10 kilogram 6 gram. Option C is 100 kilogram 6 gram. Option D is 1 kilogram 600 gram. So here these 4 options are given with the kilogram and the gram. So here also you find out with the kilogram and gram. So where is the gram? Find out here. Gram. Gram to kilogram means what will you do? You will divide. Yes or no? So divide this. Divide means divided by 1000. So here you don't want to go for the decimal because it's not given the decimal answer. Only 4 options are there. From those 4 options only we are going to select. So how many thousands are there? Here only 1000. How many thousand? 1000 because 1006 gram. 1006 gram. So 1000. So write as 1 kilogram. Remaining how much? Only 6 ones are there. That is 6 gram. So the answer is 1 kilogram 6 gram, option A. Next to question number 16. Every day 150 liter of water is sprayed in the garden. Water sprayed in a week. Week means how many days we have in the week? For 1 week equal to, we know that 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So here 150 liter of water per day. So 7 into 150 multiply 0, 5 sevens are 35, 3, then 1 sevens are 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So 1050 liter. 1050 liter is the answer. Just multiplication. What is given? 150 liter per day. That means for the week they are asking. So 1 week equal to 7 days. Multiply and put the answer. The answer is option D. The 4 options also given in the liter only. So we can stop till this. Next question number 17. Which is greatest? 0.007 gram, 70 milligram, 0.07 centigram. So which is greatest one we are going to find out. From this even you can find out. Okay, but here it's given with the decimal point. Here also given with the decimal point. So you convert to the common units. Okay, seeing the option you can find out. Listen, 0.07 centigram, 0.007 gram, 70 milligram, and it's given us all are equal. All are equal. So now milligram. This is milligram. This is centigram. This is gram. So milligram, centigram, gram. So which is the highest one? This gram. Okay. Given with the given, this is the highest one. But we are going to find out other things also, convert into gram. If you convert with the same unit only, you can compare. You cannot compare the table and the chair. Okay, it is not a same. So when you compare something, it must be same. You can compare the pen and pen, different types of pen, different types of pencil. But you cannot compare the other objects. So likewise here, first change into gram, milligram to centigram, milli to centi, the difference is divided by 10. So 70 divided by 10, cancel, answer is 7 gram for this. For this centigram, centi to milli. Sorry, centi to gram only I am going to find out. Centi to gram, 1, 2 divided by 100. So divided by 100 means how it will go? It will go like this. 1. So divided left side. This decimal point will move to the 2 places. So this will be hidden. Okay. 0.007 gram. Okay. Now milligram also, milligram I change to the centigram, you change to the gram. Milligram to gram, 1, 2, 3. So here 70. Milligram to gram only we should change. Milli, centi, deci, then only gram, divided by 1000. Cancel. 7 by 100 will be there. 2 zeros, move to the left side. We used to keep the dot here. 1, 2, then it will be read as 0.07 gram. So now everything in the gram, 0.007 gram, 0.07 gram, 0.007 gram. So if you see how to find out which is greater, based on the decimal numbers you can find out, here 3, here 2, here 4. So which is given less, 0.07 gram. So this will be the answer. Don't write this is the answer. What is the question of this? 70 milligram. The answer is 70 milligram, option C. So once again I explain you, change into the same unit, okay, which is the highest unit find out. The higher unit is gram. So I have converted milligram to gram, centigram to gram. After converting, compare the answers. If you compare the answer, this is the highest one. So write the question, that will be the answer, 70 milligram. Then question number 80. Seven kilometer minus 4,200 meter. 4,200 meter. See the answer. The answers are given kilometer with meter. So 4 options also given kilometer with meter. So this one you can have a doubt, okay, meter, it is given in the meter, this one given in the kilometer. So convert into the lower unit is meter. So kilometer is here, I am going to convert into meter. So 1, 2, 3 steps, multiple of 1000, 7 into 1000 meter minus 4,200, 7,000 minus 4,200, subtracted 0, 0, here borrow, 10 minus 2, 8, 2,800 meter. Since the answers are given with the kilometer and meter, so this one, okay, you have to convert with the kilometer and meter. We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So how many thousands are here? 2000. Yes or no? 2000. So this 2 kilometer and 800 meter. So the answer is option B. Answer is option B, 2 kilometer 800 meter. So this exercise is over. Next now we are going to see the exercise 2.2. Before that we will see about the measure of time. What is measure of time? Where do we measure the time? So take your book, page number 32, measure of time. The measure of time nowadays we start to measure the time accurately. So the measure of time based on the units, the units are second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, etc. It's going on. Okay. The units are, okay, second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year. The measure of time. So we know that the basic unit seconds, the clock, everyone, we used to see the clock and we have the watch. Okay, we have types of the clock. You can see that water clock, sundial, candle clock, sand clock. But this nowadays we are not using. We are going for the clock actually. Okay, the reading time of the clock, and we have in the two types, ordinary time and railway time. Ordinary time and railway time. So now we are going to see the conversion of time. How to convert the minute to second, second to minute. Okay, then minute to for example day, then day to month, month to year. We have the two types of here, ordinary year, leap year, ordinary year, how many days. Those things important one I am going to write. everyone note down that. Conversion of time the important conversion is day to hour. So day to hour is 24 multiplication. When you convert day to hour, multiple of 24, then hour to minute, multiple by 60, minute to second, multiple by 60. If we go for the reverse order, what will you do? Divide. Okay, this is conversion of time. Then before we go for this, you must know something. 1 minute equal to how many seconds? So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, the basic thing, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 month we cannot convert, then we can go for the week. 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. The month will be different based on the 30 or 31 or 28 or 29. So in the February month, so we cannot write this will be the accurate one. We can go for the year, 1 ordinary year. One ordinary year we have 365 days. 1 leap year, 366 days. So which means it's divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4 means that is called leap year. So these are the important note. Okay, you memorize this. Okay, 1 hour and 1 hour equal to how many minutes and how many seconds even you must know. Okay, so if you know this, we can work out the problems. Then the types of time. Okay, the ordinary time and railway time, and how to pronounce the time. Okay, how to see the time and find out. Okay, what is the AM and PM. Okay, the noon and midnight. Okay, I will tell about these things in the next class. Okay, dear students. Okay, till this you copy it and memorize it. Thank you, dear students.